Once there was a little super cat who lived in a big animal city and saved many little lives. He saved little rabbits from fires and helped old turtles cross the road. One day, when it was really cloudy, a big evil dog came to capture and destroy the beautiful animal city. When the little super cat saw the evil dog from his window, he ran outside to fight him. They battled for hours until the evil dog surrendered and ran away. Later, he went to help the citizens to get out of the broken houses. After that, the animal city was a happy place. The end.